Today we are going to do the question and answers of the chapter, the toy race. Before coming to question and answers, let us quickly recap the chapter, what it was all about. The chapter was about some toys in a nursery where these toys decided to have a race, and Maya the doll was the fastest runner, and there were many participants in the race like truck, engine, clown, teddy, puppy along with Maya, and the monkey was declared as someone who will judge the race, and he will beat the drum for the start of the race. And all the toys were supposed to go around the room 3 times, and the one who would complete the 3 rounds first will be declared the winner. And all these toys began the race, and when Maya completed one full round, she heard someone crying. And who was it? It was the puppy. Puppy had fell down. He had accidentally bumped into an aeroplane that was near the cupboard, and he started crying. Then what happened was, all 4 of them, Teddy, Clown, Engine and Truck, helped puppy get up, and they consoled him, but Maya was very busy. She was very busy running the race. She thought that I better run my race and complete the race, and she did not help puppy. Then after these, all the toys other than Maya, they again began running the race, and they were running very slowly because puppy was injured. Then when Maya completed second round, then something again strange happened. What was it? She saw that none of the toys were running the race, and they were listening to a funny story that the teddy was narrating. And they were enjoying the story, and they were laughing and giggling and falling from this place to another place. And then Maya was very confused whether she should keep running the race, should she continue, or she should drop the running the race and join her friends. In this confusion, she realized that she better join her friends and enjoy with them rather than alone running in a race and winning the race where no one else was running. First thing. Second thing, she also realized at the end that she should become a good friend who should have helped her friend in time of need. This is the whole story. Read the chapter many times, and then you do your question and answers. Coming to question number 1, who participated in the race? I told you, in the race there were 6 participants. Maya the doll, puppy, then we had the clown, then the truck, the engine and the teddy. These all were running the race. And who was beating the drum to start the race? It was the monkey who was beating the drum. Why was Maya sure about winning the race? Maya was a very fast runner, and in fact she was the fastest runner amongst all the other toys in the group, and that is why she was very sure that she is going to win the race at the end. What happened to puppy during the race? I told you, when the race started, all of the toys started running the race, and puppy accidentally bumped into an aeroplane that was parked near the cupboard, and he got injured. He fell down and he was lying there flat, right? Who helped puppy? Maya first saw puppy. She saw that someone was crying behind her, and she saw him fall down, but she did not help. But who came to her rescue? Who helped her? 4 of his friends. They were the clown, the engine, the teddy and the truck, who came for the help to help puppy. Next, what did Maya see after the second round in the race? I told you, at the end of the first round, what did Maya see? Maya saw that puppy was crying, he fell down, he was injured, and how the other toys came to help puppy. And at the end of the second round, she could hear laughter, bursts of laughter, and the sound of the toys enjoying something. They were actually enjoying a funny story that the teddy was telling to all the toys, and they were all rolling on the ground. Why did Maya not want to run the race alone? Maya did not want to run. In the end, you know what happened when the second round was completed? Maya saw her friends enjoying all together, sharing with each other their happiness, and Maya was alone who was planning to run the third round. That time Maya decided that she's not going to run the race anymore because she wanted to enjoy along with her friends and not win a race in which she was alone running and winning and left lonely and bored after this, because once she would have completed the race she would have been declared the winner, and after, even in spite of being the winner, she would have not felt that happiness because her friends were neither running the race nor they were interested in what she was doing, and in fact they were enjoying with each other altogether. So these are the question and answers of the chapter, and rest of your doubts will be cleared in the Google Meet class. Thank you.